Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own fade in and fade out animation on CapCut PC. Now you can add it on animation here, which is an in, and it's the fade in and a fade out one. But if you want to create it on your own, you can go back to video, add a keyframe on the blend mode, and go to the part where you want the video to start showing and add another keyframe. So in the beginning, you're just going to put the keyframe to 0%, like the opacity, and then it's going to slowly fade in, and it is the same for fade out. I'm just going to add a keyframe here, and then I'm going to add a keyframe at the end, and I'm going to put it at 0% as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!